Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now we're moving into something really useful. We're going to create our first calculated column. And the goal is simple. Calculate age from date of birth. In your staff table, you should have a column like date of birth, but age is not stored directly. So instead of calculating it manually, Power BI can do it for you automatically. At the top menu, click Add Column. Now go to Date, Age. Power BI creates a new column, but you'll notice something strange. It doesn't show age directly. Instead, it shows something like 16,000. That's not age in years, that's a duration. No worries, we'll fix it. Click on the new window column, then go to Transform, Duration, Total years. Now you'll get real ages in years with decimal numbers. Now go to Rounding. You can use round up or round down, but round down is more realistic for age in real life. Click it, and finally make sure your age column is set to whole number. Now your age column looks clean. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.